All right, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a lot of money online and offline. Yeah, you don't need to do anything apart from going to the bush and cut grass, or you buy sprayer and spray grass. That is all. But it's not going to be a lot of money. Let's just say maybe $500 to $700 to $1,000 if you put more effort. And let me say, if you can create up to 10 videos, maybe you can make like $500. If you can create like 20 to 50, let me just say, the more your video many, the more money you make online. So I'm going to teach you how to do it, and I'm also going to show you an example of what I just did. I already did one, so I'm going to show you how the video look like, how many viewers I start having, and the earning, how much is the video generating presently as I'm talking to you. Oh yeah, so what you need is a grass and your Android phone or iPhone, data on your phone, and Facebook account on professional mode. Yes, I'm going to show you how to set it up so that when you put the video, people scroll up and watch, just like those videos you normally watch online. And the more viewers you get, the more money you make. Yes, you don't need to send me money. I don't need your money. I'm just going to teach you everything free of charge. Everything is free. Yes, and for some people has been asking me why their money is so small. Some people say that their money is too small. That's because you set your monetization up in Naira. You need to set it up in dollar, which I'm going to show you in this video. Please, you set up in dollar so that when you are supposed to be paid 5,000 naira, they'll pay you $5,000. And when you convert $5,000 to naira, it give you something around 6 million naira instead of 5,000 naira. So I'm going to show you how to set up in dollar in this video, and how to video this particular cutting of grass or spraying of grass. So if you are a farmer or you just have grasses around, this is an opportunity for you. Just buy a sprayer and just show people, okay, I'm spraying a grass. Just show people how to spray grass, and that is all. So first of all, let's go to the field so that I show you how to do it. Yeah, let's go there. I'm just going to show you how to mix a chemical with water and spray grass. Come closer a little bit. Let's see how is this going to work. Okay, I'm going to use just 3 of this cup. 3 of this cup in this sprayer. Then from there we fill the sprayer. If you use 2, it's okay, but let me just use 3. Let's say 1, 2, then let's make it 3 like this. Okay, that's just 3. Then with this 3, I'm going to fill the sprayer with water. I'm going to fill it with water, just like this. There we are. It's full now. Filled up. Ah, yes. So the next thing we are going to do is to cover it. Do this. So let's just waste a little bit. Here we have the real spray. I just spray right here. Spray right here. Everywhere. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. So this whole this water can cover this whole place. So thank you very much for watching. Let's go back to the studio. Let me show you how to set up monetization, or what's the name? Let me call it professional mode. Then we'll continue from there. Thank you very much. Okay, you are welcome back. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You know, this is rainy season. It's just all about doing something and then put online. When you do anything you put online, people just scroll on top, watch, you make money. And this is what is raining presently. I don't understand. So let's go to Facebook so that I show you how you can set up your monetization, then put this video in reel. The video don't need to be long. Let it just be something from 10 seconds to 59 seconds. Yes, just 10 seconds to 59 seconds. The more video you created, the more money you earn. So if possible, you can even farm. Start in process of your farming. Today we are going to cut grass. You cut grass. Today we are going to make ridges. You make it. Today we are going to plant. You create another video. Today we are going to harvest. You create video. You make money online and offline. All right, so if you already know how to turn on a professional mode, I think you can skip this video right now because it's still the same process with the other one. But if you don't know, then follow me up as we are going into my phone right now to turn our Facebook to professional mode, and then start uploading the video right away. All right, let's go there. This is Facebook on my phone. As you can see, this is Facebook here. Let's go to Facebook. Then we are going into my account, Comedian FK, as you can see. And when you look up here, you can see create, edit, profile, work at FK Entertainment, study at all those things. So we are going to turn it to professional mode. After that, you will not see all this edit anymore. So click on the 2 dots right here, and let's go down to turn on professional mode. Here, down here, just down here, turn on professional mode. Click on it and you see get paid for your content. All right, that means you can simply cut grass and make money online. Yeah, this get paid for your content, or do any other things and upload to this particular place and then make money. So turn it on. It's turning on right now, as you can see, and fill some of your information. If you get a website, put it here. If you have a new content, you can start uploading right here. Add details about yourself here, and fill other details. Then when we go back, my account has turned to professional mode, and you can see follow here and following here. So the other one is people I'm following, and this 4,600 are people that are following me. Yes, so this is how it is. So when you just video your 59 second, from 10 to 59 second video, we are going to put it into reel, not just create post here. No, we are going to put it in this reel. This reel you are seeing up here, that's where we are going to upload the video to. Yeah, this create posts and others is for people doing a large video, long video, like what I'm doing. So we are going to the reel and upload the video. Then after that, this is where you can set up your monetization tools. When you go back to view tools up here, view tools, then you can see monetization here. Click on it, and bonuses. This is where you set up, but mine can't touch right now because I just switch. You need to put 5 videos to be a content creator. So the moment you put the 5 videos, you become a content creator, and you can click and then set up with your bank account, and all money you generate to be sent into your account straight in every country you are. Yes, so this is where some people make mistake. So if you have any problem before I go, or you have any question you want to ask, quickly go to this account called Mr. FK. Go to Facebook, search for Mr. FK, or go to YouTube, search for Mr. FK, and then you see Mr. FK. As you can see 2 here. One is fake. This 603, that one is fake. This one you can see Mr. FK. Check the one I already start posting video. some followers up here. This one, so follow, which I do live video every Saturday here. So follow and then ask any question you have on this Mr. FK. Unlike somebody say I have been watching your video on YouTube but your number is not going. I have it to 2700 phone which I want to sell. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. You can say I have opened my professional, but I cannot see monetization on my dashboard. Yeah, that is because you haven't uploaded any video yet. Just upload your video and you see it. So that is it. And if you have any question, you can ask on my live video on this Mr. FK. Oh yes. And you know, some of you are telling me to do giveaway. No, I don't do giveaway. I only teach you how to make the money. I made the money, you made the money. My friend, I can't suffer like this and then pack my money give you. No, let's make it together. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, let's see you on Mr. FK. Yeah, I'll be there live Saturday and Sunday evening to discuss, to talk live, interact. You call my number, I pick, ask your question and tell me what is your problem. So thank you for watching this video and see you next on the other video. Thank you very much again.